Hey there, YouTubers. We're going to give you a quick video on a how-to instructions on how to make the update for GMRSLive. If you don't want to download and install the latest 1.1.1 software, this is what you're going to need to do. Hopefully you have downloaded from the status page the SCP program. Once you get that installed, make yourself a bookmark, shortcut on the desktop. We're going to double click that. It's going to ignore this. This is all my previous sites that I manage. We're going to click on new site and move over to the host name. In my case, it's going to be 192.168.0. What was it? 244? Yeah, I think so. Need to change the port number. In my case, some people have 22. Most people use 222. Too many twos. And then, of course, put in your username. In my case, T. And the password will be 12345667. Yeah, right. If you believe that. Okay, I got the IP address of my Pi that's on the network, my port number, my login, and password. That is the login and password to the Pi itself. We're going to click login. It's going to log in. Okay, it's on. On the right screen, you have the folder that you're currently looking at. Sometimes you'll be at the root folder, sometimes you might be somewhere else. Bring yourself back to root. You can do that by arrow up or drop down and just go to root. Next, we're going to go to, where are we going to go? Let's go, back to the beginning. ETC folder, asterisk. Now we're almost there. We got to look for the file called IAXconf. Double click on this one. And that's going to open up. Let's maximize this. You're going to, there they are. Okay. These are the ones that are turned off currently. Why are they turned off? Because that's how it works. It's got a semicolon in front of it. So what we're going to do is get your email that you got from the guys at the support at GMRSLive. They would have sent you your node numbers as well as passwords. And you are going to write this line, put it right above the register line. Let me go off screen here. I don't want to show everybody my password there. I'll put in a bunch of 9s. This way nobody else will figure that out, hopefully. So it's going to be register. In my case, my node number is 1050 : my password, whatever they sent me, at register.gmrslive.com. Again, I'll try to focus out on here. You can see a little bit better. Ignore the 2 registers that are already there. You want to create a new line. Register your node number. In my case, it's 1050 : the password 99999 for my password at register.gmrs.live. Once you got that typed in, come up here to the save and save it. I'm going to close this because I'm not going to modify it. I'm not going to change the file. And you're back to the SCP screen. Restart your Pi and you should be up and going. If you already have your duck DNS addressing all set up, just leave it alone. You don't have to make any changes. This will take care of it. It will boot up. It will contact duck DNS, say hi, give it the information, which doesn't mean anything now because we're going to be registered. And it's also going to go back to gmrslive.com, register, say hi, I'm node 1050. Here's my password. If everything lines up, they say, okay, you will be registered and up and working. It's almost instant. You might want to wait 2 minutes, sit there, reboot, and then try connecting to room 700, and you should be okay. I had no issues. Took me a whole 2 minutes to open the file, type in the code, and that was it. Hope this has been helpful. If you have any questions, you can email me at wrbm944@passcogmrs.com. That's all one word there, passcogmrs.com. Thanks for watching. Again, hope this helps you guys figure out how to get your older version of software on the new DNS servers. Catch you later.